Shippers are required to placard any vehicle that is transporting a reportable quantity of hazardous materials.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Placards must appear on all four sides of the vehicle so that they are visible from all directions. From a distance, the pictograms on the placard provide an indication of what's inside, but the 4-digit number that's also on the placard gives first responders more specific information so that they can start planning their initial response. Responders use the North American Emergency Response Guidebook, or ERG for short, to look up that number and obtain guidance for responding to the spill, particularly the first steps that they need to take to keep themselves and the community safe. The ERG is available as a physical book and also as an app that can be downloaded onto phones, tablets, and computers. The ERG lists potential hazards, such as fire or inhalation hazards. It also provides public safety information like evacuation zones and whether to stay uphill or seek low areas. Basic information about personal protective equipment is included to help responders to protect themselves until they can get additional information from safety data sheets or the shipper. Guidance on confining and cleaning up the spill, as well as first aid information, is also listed. This is especially important for materials that are reactive or unstable and shouldn't be cleaned up using traditional methods. There are also reference guides to help responders with hazard classification, determining evacuation zones, and other safety precautions. Check out our other 2-minute drills for more ways to identify hazards and keep you and your team safe during spill response.